G'day guys, Steve with Broken Sprocket. In this video I'm going to show you how to cross train tracks safely on a dirt bike. I use two different techniques. I'm going to show both those techniques, and I'm also going to show a technique on how not to cross train tracks. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get started.
Just a short video guys, because I often have to cross train lines, but under no circumstances do I recommend entering onto train corridors, train tracks, train lines, especially if they're live. These have been dead for decades, but it's much better just to enter dead straight. I'll show you. There's two ways: enter straight with caution, make sure you're dead straight to lines, you don't want to be to the side, and just go over nice and slowly like that. So we'll do that one again. Nice and slow, keep straight. Or we can do it the way that I really like to do it. Let's get a little bit of air on it. I like to just hit one of those sleepers to get the first bit of bounce, and then we bounce straight over the top and clear both of them. Clear it nice and easy. Going this way, I like to find a bit of sleeper. Don't come on side onto them, especially if they're wet, because your front wheel will just slide and then your back wheel. You can see how it just keeps sliding, so you don't want to do them like that. It actually kicked out a bit on me again. Old train carriage up here. By the look of it, no one comes to visit it. Thought I'd give it some love. Wow. Got some old trucks in the back of that one. First class for the passengers back then. Wow, check it out. Bit of a buff job, she'll be right. Wow, look at all them. Toot toot Thomas. Not very easy to climb on these with dirt bike riding gear on.